Hello, it's me again. I'm out here in the permaculture food forest, and I've got this area back here that I still mow right now. I'm using it for a staging area to build my bamboo huts. But I'm wondering if y'all can figure out what my dogs are doing. I know y'all have seen them eat minerals before. Now you got to remember, this pack's been indigenous to this property and my family's farm for, I have no idea how long. Granny didn't tell me how long she'd had them, but anyway, this bunch of doggies right here, you know, they'll eat the minerals, but when I come out here and mow, they're out here chasing crickets, these black crickets, and they are gobbling them up just as fast as they can go. Did you get one, Ellie? Did you get you a cricket? Huh? Where's them crickets at? Find you a cricket, Ellie. Huh? Y'all going cricket hunting? There's one spot. Look here. Here's a cricket. Did you see it? Watch. I seen that little black cricket. But the crickets, yeah, Ellie got one. There's one. Get it. Get it, Cara. There you go. Pretty good little hors d'oeuvres, ain't they, out of our food forest. But anyway, I wanted to show you the side huts of our bamboo. Everybody else I've ever seen, they cut off these little side limbs. I leave them on there and I branch them out. I mean, I weave them in to each other. I showed y'all, look at some more of our bamboo huts. We ain't got one complete yet. I've done several prototypes and I'm settling on a new one. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that and give you a little update on the permaculture island here. I was gonna mow that down, but I didn't get to it in time last year, and it had so many plant species on it. Now, these are my tires that I'm filling up with grass clippings. That does two things. It composts down into some of the best soil you've ever used, and it also will go in there and keep the mosquitoes from getting into your tires until you get your whatever you're doing done with them. But anyway, here's the permaculture forest. It's got lots of poke salad in there. It's got the sumac, I think they call it a Indian tea, Native American tea. We're gonna have it's a black walnut right there. Yeah, no, that's pecan. That's a pecan, so we'll definitely leave it. We've done a good thing. And then I'm gonna let meld into this over here, and I have muscadine all in there. This got a little away from me this year. Not hard for it to get away from you when you got this many acres and everything. But anyway, I just want to show you what the dogs are doing. Spot, you got to get a cricket. Come on, Spot. Spot. Where's the crickets? Get over here and get Ellie's crickets. Strike's out here eating crickets, and he's been blind for 2 years. Still eating crickets. And whatever y'all do, don't call PD on us for the ethical treatment of insects.